So today's lecture is about coronary artery disease, which is also called CAD. So let's start from the slides. So basically it is a condition where the coronary arteries become narrowed or blocked. It reduces the blood flow from the heart muscles and also oxygen flow from the heart muscles. Because of this, heart muscle does not get enough blood and oxygen. It is also main leading cause of heart disease worldwide. Next slide we discuss about disease mechanism. The main cause of CAD is a process called atherosclerosis. In this process, fat and plaque build up inside the artery walls. This leads to inflammation and hardening of the arteries. As a result, blood flow is reduced, which is called ischemia. So basically the organ which is involved is called heart. Okay. This disease affects the circulatory and cardiovascular systems, including arteries and veins. It also impacts other systems like respiratory and endocrine systems. The main signs and symptoms are chest pain, which is also called angina. Patients may feel pressure or tightness in the chest. Other symptoms include like shortness of breath and fatigue. Pain may also spread to the jaw, neck or left arm because heart is in the left. Nutrition plays a very important role in CAD. Diet directly affects cholesterol levels in the body. High intake of saturated fats and salt can also worsen the disease. A healthy diet can help to control or even reduce plaque buildup. Okay. Here we discuss about deficiencies and risk. Low fiber intake can lead to poor removal of cholesterol from the body. Lack of antioxidants increase inflammation in the arteries. Major risk factors include obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure. So the treatment and management. Okay. Treatment includes medications like statins and beta blockers. But in this disease, medicines are not important. Medicines are also important, but lifestyle changes are very important, such as regular exercise and weight loss.